Okay guys, so I'm back for part 2 of my video, and that's the first part was showing you how to slick back your hair in a low bun in order to prep your hair for applying your wig when you don't know how to cornrow. And now I'm going to show you how to apply a glueless install on your wig using our amazing styling mousse. So on our website, you're going to see two types of foam. You're going to see our styling mousse, which is this transparent, translucent bottle with like an orange liquid inside. And then you're going to see this one, which is argan defining foam. Now, the difference between the two, this one is used for defining curly hair. So if you've got a wig that has spirals like deep wave, deep body wave, kinky curly, any of those kinds of curly wigs or extensions, this is the product you want. This will define your curls but not leave them crunchy because it's a soft hold foam. This one we created for laying your edges because we have a lot of clients who deal with hair loss, whether it's cancer or alopecia, and we don't recommend using glue for those clients. So we created a product that is going to lay your wig flat. It's completely glueless. You can take it off, put it back on, but it keeps the hair in place. And since we launched this back in, I think it was September, October 2018, it is like a big seller because it works wonders. And not only can you use this for the glueless application, if you are using an adhesive, whether it's Bold Hold, Ghost Bond, whatever kind of glue you're using, you can still use this to lay your baby hairs. So it's like a multi-purpose styling mousse, and it's really amazing. It has a really great hold. There's no alcohol, no parabens, no sodium chloride in this. So it doesn't lift the glue if you use it for laying your baby hairs. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to put on our wig cap. And we just slide it on and slide it just around the hairline. And the reason that we had used the edge booster before is because I usually have like baby hairs left out. So I like to have those slicked down so they don't really interfere with the application. Then we're going to take our wig. Actually, let me just see if I need to tint the lace or not. No, I think it's good. Okay, so this wig I've got is a glueless full lace wig. So you can part this anywhere. I've got my elastic band in it already. You can basically part it like anywhere on this cap because it's full lace and it's super light. I'm going to go ahead, put this on. Line up my ear tabs. Ooh, I can find them. That's funny. All right, let's begin. So I actually haven't even laid this down yet, but look how like nicely this blends because it's tinted, number one, with our new lace tint. And what I use for my skin complexion is the warm cocoa, which is like the middle one in terms of color. So as you can see, like it blends beautifully with my hair before I've even done anything to it yet. But let's go ahead and lay this wig down with the mousse. So you want to place the wig where you plan to wear it, exactly where you plan to wear it. If you've got any baby hairs, lift those up. Just make sure your lace is laying in the exact spot you want it for the day. Where I want mine. Okay, now once you've placed it, then you just go ahead and add your foam to the front, right along the front hairline. And you want it to touch the lace. because this foam is going to dry and mold the lace to your head. And just go ahead and brush that in. If your lace starts to move or the hairline starts to move, just replace it. Make sure you pull your baby's hairs out, because when you lay this, it's going to stay this way. So however you want your hair to look, make sure you place the hairs in that position before laying it down. You can already see that this is starting to look like scalp. I've got my baby hairs already positioned. Okay, so once I position it and I kind of like where it sits, I'm going to go in with my edge brush. I'm going to comb all those hairs exactly where I want them to sit. And essentially what you're doing here, guys, is forming your hairline. So however you like to wear your hair, you're forming it so that when this mousse dries, the hair stays in that exact formation, and you literally don't have to do anything. Like, you can take this off at night, put it up, come back to it in the morning, and the hair line is already placed. You don't have to redo this step, this process at all. You're just, at that point, you're just putting it back on and going. And this will last until you wash it. Okay, so I think for the purposes of this video, and to keep things going and not too long, I think I'm okay with how it's looking. So I'm just going to take some mousse now. Go ahead and get those spots ready for molding. Make sure everything is secure. And I'm going to tie it down. And I'm tying it down with our Heavenly Locks satin headband, which you can get online on our website, www.heavenlylocks.com. This headband is perfect because it's satin, it won't stick to your edges, and it will allow you to lay your edges nice and flat. So once you've got that on, you can just go ahead and leave that on while you style your hair. So while that's drying, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the rest of it. I don't like my part to be super straight all the time. Sometimes I just want it to be like a natural looking part. So I'm just gonna kind of place where I want the part to go. But I do like a really deep part because a really deep part makes it look super natural. So place the hair where you want it placed, and then just go in with the mousse. This is the same one I used before, the styling mousse. And this is going to lay your hair exactly where you want to put it. And it's going to dry in place, and your hair is going to be nice and laid, but it won't be crunchy. Look at that. Is that scalp or is that scalp? Tell me that's not scalp right now. Go ahead and tell me it's not scalp. So we're located in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. If you're in the area, give us a shout, come down to our showroom. Come and say hi. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to leave you guys for a sec while this dries, and when it dries, I'll come back and reveal the hairline, the glueless hairline. I love this technique so much, and that's why I created this product. If you guys don't have it yet, go and get it, because it is the #1 laying foam for your edges for a glueless install. That's not gonna move. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I kind of used a little bit of some blow dryer to try to speed this process up. Let's hope it's dry. It's only been like 10 minutes to be honest with you, but I just really don't have time to like be waiting around forever with this whole process. So let's just hope it's dry enough. And it's still wet, but you know what? You get the point, don't you? Because what do you see? You don't see the lace, honey. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go grab. Okay, so I have to go get my edge brush again. So once you get to this part, you're just gonna go around, because the hair is now stuck down from the mousse. So you're just gonna go ahead and break up that mousse so that the hair looks free flowing again. So hold the lace as you do this so you aren't ruining all the work that you just put in. Hold and just comb out. Now this is kind of wet still, so bear with me. So I'm just being a little bit more gentle because it's still a little bit wet, but if this were dry, you could actually just go in and just go scrape, 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 and you're all done. And the part where you put the mousse in this part of your hair to lay it, look at that. You don't even have to go within a flat iron at this point. You just brush it out. And it's, look at that. It's not hard, it's not anything. It's just laid where you want it to lay because of the mousse. The best mousse ever. So you go and get yourself some on our website. And it lasts for so many applications. And there you go. 100% glueless application. Tell me it's a wig. Well, you can tell me it's a wig if you saw this video, but if you haven't seen this video, you can't tell me it's a wig, honey. This is my hair. This is my scalp. This is it. Don't you just love when you do good work in 5 minutes? Well, not 5 minutes, not really. It only took 5 minutes to add the foam. That's what I mean. But look at that. Close up. Look at that. Let him get close up on you. Let him get close up. Look at this. And 1, 2, 3, pop. And put it back down. So, because mine is still a little bit wet, I mean, it's still formed. I can pull it up and put it back down. But if you let this dry, like I told you, to fully hard, when you go to like pull it up, it's gonna actually tug on your skin a little bit because it's actually going to be, you know, formed and stuck to your head. And when you take it off, as long as you don't crunch it up and mess up the front, you can store it away overnight, put it back on in the morning, and it's gonna look exactly like this. Like, I will do this for a full week. I won't even redo my hair because I won't have to. And look at the part, guys. With my lace tint. You tell me where the lace is. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you want to see other types of videos, let me know. Leave suggestions in the box below, and I will try to accommodate you. But that's it for now. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of our videos as we tune it up. Thanks. Have a good day.